Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make potassium carbonate. This valuable compound, also known as potash or pearl ash, is a white, water-soluble salt that forms a strongly alkaline solution. It has numerous applications, from making soap to acting as a leavening agent. We will delve into 2 accessible methods for its creation, ensuring you understand each step. We will also cover essential safety measures and practical uses for this fascinating chemical. Our first method involves extracting potassium carbonate from wood ash, a historical technique. Begin by burning organic material, such as hardwood, until only fine ash remains. Next, transfer this ash into a container and cover it completely with hot water, allowing it to soak for at least 24 hours. Then, carefully filter the liquid to separate the dissolved compound from any remaining insoluble ash. Finally, gently boil the filtered solution to evaporate the water, leaving behind crude potassium carbonate crystals. Another effective way to produce potassium carbonate is through the thermal decomposition of potassium bicarbonate. This compound is readily available and often used as a food additive. To begin, place your potassium bicarbonate powder in a heat-resistant container. Gently heat the powder, maintaining a temperature between 100 and 120 degrees Celsius. At this temperature, the potassium bicarbonate will break down, releasing water vapor and carbon dioxide gas, and leaving behind pure potassium carbonate. When working with potassium carbonate, safety is paramount. Always wear protective gloves and eye protection, as it can irritate skin and eyes. Ensure your workspace is well ventilated to prevent inhaling any dust. Beyond its creation, potassium carbonate has many uses. It is a key ingredient in making soaps and glass, and it enriches soil as a fertilizer. In the food industry, it serves as a leavening agent and helps regulate acidity in various products.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.